Hey, you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, what's going on?
About to get the operator on the phone. Want me to call?
I'm
You standing
done.
too close. Back
Okay.
up, please. You standing too close. You
Better?
recording me?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, you don't need to get that close to me.
Okay, my name's Officer Johnson. Work for the Casper Police Department. If you want another officer or something like that, you can't call 911. You gotta...
We'll get another officer out here before I speak, because I have the right to remain silent.
Okay, you're not under arrest. They just want you to go. They just want you to leave. That's it. Okay? Are you good? Do you need the fire department or anything like that? Let's start this on the line real quick. Just tell her she trespassed.
So, ma'am, just to let you know, moving forward, you cannot come back on Walmart property.
Man, shut
so
the fuck up. I'm not going no goddamn way. I'm not going nowhere.
You want my service distributor?
Yes.
I'm handicapped and I cannot walk.
Okay.
Try to move me. Try to move me.
Yeah, I got your number.
All right.
Hey, I got the police over here. And this officer is standing alone by himself talking about I'm trespassed. I'm not going nowhere. Louis, your son out here, your firstborn, was acting stupid. So I said something to him and they're telling me I'm trespassed. I didn't do nothing. When he started the argument, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going nowhere. Then he's recording me. The officer came up and stepped real close. I told him to step back. He's recording me. Yep. So, I'm not going anywhere. You can't trespass nobody off the Walmart property. Homeless people are allowed to live here.
No. No, it's private property. They can trespass you.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I got 2 flat tires. I'm not going anywhere. They're going to arrest me. I'm going to get out for trespass. I'm going to come back on the property, and they're going to keep arresting me, and they're going to have to drop it. I'm going to explain to the police officer that the reason why I'm trespassed because this Louis over here, whatever his last name is, your son started some shit with me.
4-6.
He was, okay, well, he thinks that you're his father, and he's over here where I charge my phone at night, sitting here in the seat, starting shit with me. It don't matter. It don't matter what time it is. That the store sees me come over here at night and charge my phone. I wasn't bothering nobody. They started running their mouth to me first. They wasn't even talking when I pulled up in the buggy. They weren't even talking. Then they want to talk shit. I said, who you talking to, me? He was like, yeah, I'm talking to you. I was like, who you talking to my son? I was like, yeah, I told him not to touch my phone because he wants to steal it. I don't know, his son they want to steal my phone. Because they said they can't charge their phone nowhere. So they're jealous because the store allowed me to charge my phone here. They see me out here every night when I come and charge the phone. I didn't do what? I'm like, what are you talking about, Anthony? Okay, I'm on my way. I'm on my way to the car. They can sit up here all day. What's up? You want me to wait till later? All right, I'll go tonight. Don't be around at 1 o'clock. You better not be here at 1.
Of course, she said she's going to her car.
They have been living in that truck for 4 months in her parking lot.
Alright, well, she's trespassed. So.
And on top of that, she threatened me the other day.
I don't know what the fuck it is. All I know is it's white and it got short hair.
Who, me? I'm a female. That's what you're asking.
Can I help you?
Yeah, so...
Don't say nothing. Stay your ass in the car.
It's fine. He doesn't have to talk to him. She got trespassed, so she has to leave the property. She
I
can
won't.
get arrested.
I will not.
Who said that? Corporation?
Loss prevention.
Who's that?
It's the employee inside. I guess there was some argument and they trespassed and everyone involved in it.
Well, as you can see, we have 2 flat tires. If you can fix us with that, then we can leave.
I do see that. I can call you a tow truck if you want to all deal with that, but
Nope.
you can still stay here. You're not trespassed. She just can't be on property.
Nope. I will not go anywhere.
Okay.
And when I get out of jail, if you try to fucking put me in jail for 30 days, Joseph, you got my purse popping. Don't go
This is her vehicle.
Bye. Listen to
Okay.
me. Listen to me. This is my stuff right here, okay? Don't cry. I'll be gone for 30 days. Less than 30 days because I don't have to go to court. You understand me? You got the money in here in my purse. 20, 30, 27 or $37. Put the money on the Cash App. Okay? I don't have a card to pay my car insurance or the cell phone bill. So what you're going to do is call mom, tell her you're coming to come pick up my card, and explain the situation. What I can do now, since I just shut off my phone, is call mom and tell her you're coming to come pick up the card. If she gives it to you, don't get all my mail, just the card. You understand? Here, leave that in here. Do not take that out anywhere.
You gotta leave your key too.
Charge my phone. Charge my phone. If those don't say one goddamn word. I'm taking my key. Don't say one.
Give me the other key.
Okay. Don't say one goddamn word to those people. Not one. I'm gonna call my mom right now for an emergency purposes.
Negative. I'm at the liquor store
And I'm gonna
outside.
tell
She's
her
in her
that
car
you
when
need
she's
to
in to
come
leave.
get to have money. And you got the food stamp card. Use it, because I don't need it for 30 days.
That's right.
Try to save as much as you can.
I don't know the number.
It's his birthday.
What's that?
28. So I'm leaving everything because they want to trespass me.
The issue isn't the phone charging.
Huh?
The issue isn't the phone charging. I guess there was some argument with someone over there, and they don't like people, you know. It wasn't her. No. I'll tell her. I'll say this in her defense. It was not her fault. It does not sound like she started it.
Why should be trespassed?
Everyone's getting trespassed as in the argument.
Everybody who?
Everybody that was in the argument gets trespassed, or they leave voluntarily. So the other half left voluntarily. She just, y'all can't leave. But literally, if she's in that parking lot, she's fine because that's the bank parking lot. She just can't be here in this parking lot or in Walmart.
There you go. I'm not leaving, so they're gonna have to trespass me.
You are trespassed.
I can't get off the property because this is my way of transportation. I don't have the money to get on the bus. All right. There's water here, Papa. You got soda. You got your food. Go in there and get more food. Boom. Until I get out, put the tires on.
Just a word of advice: don't say you're with her, or they're gonna trespass you too. So, just to avoid both y'all getting kicked out the store.
He's with me, but
yeah, y'all know. But if you tell the employees, they're gonna trespass
I'm
you
not gonna tell
too.
them that he's with me. He's just in my car.
Yeah.
I don't have to tell them. They don't have to say anything about him because he's not involved in the situation. He's not involved. I am.
Okay. She's refusing to work. She said she can't leave because she's two flat tires and that will have to arrest her. Maybe you can.
I'm going for 30
Was that
days.
Sean
They're gonna
and
drop
LP?
the charges. And
So
I
he
will
told
be
me you
back.
were in
Okay?
electronics.
I don't know.
And I'm still coming back on the property. They can arrest me again if they need to. I'm going to have them drop the charges because I'm going to court and telling the judge that somebody started the argument with me.
Man, what's your name?
God, and that's Jesus, Joseph, and I'm Christ.
All right. So Walmart does not want you on their property.
I don't give a fuck. I'm not going a goddamn fuck. I'm calling my mom right now. I'm calling my mom. After I'm done calling my mom, you can do what you got to do and take me to jail. Let me make arrangements first because I'm pregnant. Don't put your hands on me. I need 2 cuffs in the front, and if you try putting it in the back, boom, they're going to get you.
But all you have to do is leave the property.
And I can't because I'm handicapped. I cannot walk. I have neuropathy in my legs.
But jail doesn't correct the issue.
It doesn't matter. I said, no, I'm not leaving the property. Homeless people are allowed to be on the property.
Why are you cussing at me?
I'm not cussing at you, Mom. I'm going to,
You
they
are.
think that they're going to try to take me to jail because somebody started arguing with me. So they're trying to trespass me. I'm not arguing with them.
He's like,
The police officer stepped up on my ass. The police officer stepped close up on my ass, so I told him to back the fuck up because he was stepping. Okay, if I could say what I want to say, this is my mouth. I know they can't because homeless people are allowed to live here. They can't trespass me.
Well, Walmart called us, and yeah, they do.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Take me to jail, I'll still come back and be on the property. Take me again, and it's gonna be a problem. Boom, boom. That's all it takes.
Not on us.
That's all it takes.
Not on us. It's Walmart that wants
Boom,
you gone.
boom. What's your name, officer?
Sergeant Salacran.
I'm allowed to make a first police call. I'm allowed to. I have a right.
Okay. Yeah, just.
And they have to tell me that the police is already here. They're handling their job.
All right.
What's your name?
Johnson.
You realize you're making this a lot harder than it really is?
I know y'all are recording me. I know y'all are recording me. I'm not making nothing hard. This is easy for you. Very easy.
But do you not understand Walmart called us?
I understand completely. Don't tell me I don't understand.
But Carmen, Walmart called us. They don't want
It
you on the
doesn't matter who called you. I own it. I own this.
Okay.
I need police here. They're telling me to get off my own property. I own Walmart in Castleberry. The address is 1239 436 Castleberry Super Walmart. My car is here and 2 tires. Yup. That is correct. I have 2 pop tires. I'm sitting in my vehicle. I went to go charge my phone. They see me every night to charge my phone. And the manager complained because somebody was starting some shit with me. And I said something back to them. So they want that person trespassed and me trespassed. And if I go to jail, I have to explain to the judge what happened. And they're going to release me before I even see the judge. So I have to come back on the property so I can get my vehicle. I am not trespassed. Homeless people are allowed to live here. And if I go again, because Sergeant, what's your name? What's your name? What's his name, Poppy? What's your name, officer?
Still Salacran.
His name is Salacran. Okay, boom. And then we have an officer that walked up on me, and his name is Johnson. Boom. There we go. Yeah, I'm with the officer, and I'm not going nowhere. So I'm going to jail for 30 days, and I know that. And I'm coming back to get my vehicle, and I will be on this property. I will be on this property because they're going to drop the charges, so I will come back. So I'm going to jail for 30, and I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant with 4 girls. I'm pregnant. My name is I am God. And I have Joseph in my Honda CRV black on the property on the right-hand side of the liquor store. He is God, Joseph, and he is Jesus. Yep, and he is in my vehicle, but he wasn't involved. It was only me on that side. So I have to go for trespass, and the charges is gonna get dropped if they take me to
Is the vehicle
court.
gonna stay here? Like she's the RO?
Yeah, she's RO.
I'm speaking with them, but I'm letting you know the situation because his son Lewis, his firstborn, brung his fat ass up here to start some drama with me. Because I was out there for a long time. I grew up here. I don't know where this fat man came from, and he was starting some shit with me. They weren't even, him and some other guy was talking, and his son, and then a crowd of people walked up, and that he was with, and we was arguing. I told him, Lewis, look, I don't know you. This is the first time I've seen you. I know you're Joseph's son. Get up out of here. And that's the only thing I said to him. And then the man went inside the store and said I was threatening them. All I said was, get up out of here. I said, you are going to die. I didn't say I was going to kill you. I said, you're going to die. That's what I said. And then they said, because I said you're going to die already because you have cancer and HIV, that I made a threat. That's what they told me. I didn't make no threat. I didn't make no threat. So they said because I told him the truth that they want me trespassed.
To avoid.
So they said they have to be trespassed and I have to be trespassed. What? Okay, I'm speaking with them.
4 to 6.
Okay, well, the officer right here is being very rude, telling me that a whole bunch of shit, and they're both recording me. One walked up on me, and I told him, don't mishandle me. For one, I can't stand up, I have neuropathy. And 2, I got 4 babies in my stomach, 4 girls in my stomach. I said, do not mishandle me, don't put my cuffs tight, don't do none of that. Put the air on in the car, let my window down, and I will lay in bed for 30 days while my man stays in the car and does what he has to do to survive for himself. The charges is going to be dropped, and once I get the out, I'm going to call the police when I take the bus all the
Is
way
he
over
working on
here
the statement?
so I can get my vehicle. And they can sit up here all night. My name is I am God. No, you're not, because Jesus is here and we are homeless. And, okay. That's what I thought.
All right, ma'am. So, man, go ahead and step out. We'll put the handcuffs in front of you.
Put your back on the hood here. Whatever works for you. Are you better to walk without your hands cuffed? Do you want to walk over here and then cuff? And you said you had the issues with your legs.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you put your back up against the police?
Put the back up.
Put your back where it says police.
Oh. They really wanted to take my baby daddy to jail, but I'm going instead. What?
Who's your baby daddy?
He is. I just told you I got 4 daughters in my stomach, 4 girls, his daughters.
314, 20 out of 3 hours.
Quadruplets?
Yep, it's quadruplets. Well, you wouldn't know that if I didn't post my video in 2021. You don't know what it is. It's just 4 little babies.
Do you have any sharp cocaine?
What?
Do you have anything sharp or pokey on you?
No.
Any cigarettes, lighters, or recreational drugs?
Nope.
Okay. You understand if there's something on your side?
Joseph, are you gonna grab my bag? Does he have to get out and give it to you?
No.
Okay.
I don't want to get mad. You understand if something on you or inside you and I don't find it, I think you jail it.
Yeah, I know. I'm on my period, so I need underwear when I get there and pads.
Okay, I'll tell them. Can you turn around and put your chest against the car?
I have underwear on. I don't have no bra on.
Okay, that's fine. Nothing in your shoes?
Nope, just dirty socks and dirty sneakers and this dress.
You step up on the thing in the pocket.
5514, 20 out of 4 hours.
Don't talk to none of those motherfuckers. You hear me, Joseph? Nobody. Keep your mouth shut. I'm gonna call you when I get there.
Hey, watch your knees. Still better than I expected.
You want me to, you want me to meet with Sean, send you a picture?
Yeah, he said it should be done.
Okay. 20 out of 4 hours.
Mag, send Rick over there to get it. Hey, you have any questions for us? No? Seminole County Jail should be in Sanford. I want to say her bond's going to be like $500 unless she's on probation or something. Okay?